Hello everyone! We had a big pause, almost a month, even more. There were walking moments, a little more of course, rested and haven't had time to be sick. Though it's nothing bad, we are back and start working at the pace. The more so we have a huge amount of news. There is a lot of volatility in the market right now. Bitcoin has chosen which way it will go. Let's talk about it. Let's go. So, let's start of course with the Bitcoin chart. Let me remind you that you and I have bounced off the level of about $16,000 to $17,000 and we are now at a local upward movement. One way or another, locally we are still in a trend, exactly positive. What happened? We had the first wave of growth just exactly to the 0.61st level. We fell and then the second wave began, where we grew a little bit, made a little bit of a local high, reached the mark of $31,000, $32,000 and now we are in a local decline. Let's look a little bit closer, a little bit more locally, where we are now. You and I have come to a support level, the last level when we fell. This is our level. This is where we break it. This is where we are trading right now. What should we expect from Bitcoin in the near future? My personal prediction, I think we're going to be here for a while. Locally, I think we can grow to $26,500, build some structure, some pro trading, after which there will be a local rebound. I think approximately to the zone of $29,500. From here, we will have a retest again, after which we will have a local breakdown. Either a comeback or going lower, depending on the positive situation. After the breakthrough, we return to a very large liquidity zone about $19,000 to $20,000. And we will trade for quite a long time, break through some structures. Moreover, the scenery is also worth considering. But I'm almost sure in a local picture of this particular pattern, we will watch it. Everything depends and now the chart will show itself here. Moreover, we should keep an eye on the rolls. They will be released almost every day, depending on whether there will be some news. The altcoin market is still sick. They are still falling as well. S&P 500 has grown well, but now it is in a local correction. So far, this is the picture, and here we see a bright high shoulder pattern just on the downside, with the potential for about the same $20,000 on edge. Anyway, on Bitcoin, we are watching for now. So far, there is no clear positive. They are not at a progresses for growth. But let's not forget, it's been quite a while. We've been in a local bear market for quite a while. Moreover, the bull market is not far off. It will come when no one expects it. Let's look at some interesting altcoins. Let's look at SUI. I want to pay special attention to it. For what reason? SUI and I have had virtually no growth. We had a huge drop despite the fact that the project is good. I myself communicate with the guys from the team, with the project's founders. The project is effective and it works. It has quite good volumes. Now we are back in the zone of quite strong resistance in the form of a retest. I think that we will break quickly enough, go to the zone of about 0.68. From here we will make a retest and from here we will make a pattern and continue trading here as well. At most we will reach 0.78 and then we will see a good growth of assets. Why so? First, we need to pour liquidity into the asset, which is what we are doing now. We see a huge amount of purchases in volumes, which is a record for all time. Secondly, investors should exit and the project itself should be abundant. They have their own tokens and they should sell from as favorably as possible for themselves. For its price of $1.50 to $2 is the most favorable price for them, at which they should sell their tokens and thus earn money. This is also an interesting price for investors. At this price, the asset will be dispersed and they have already started to do it. Moreover, take a closer look at CUE, and only in a spot. It's very important. The Aptos asset also looks very interesting. The strongest support is at the level of about $5. We have bounced from in many times. Now locally I see the following picture, return to the level of $10. I don't know how exactly it will show itself. Maybe in the form of a triangle pattern, maybe we will see something similar. That's why I would also take a closer look at Aptos. They have recently entered into a partnership with Microsoft. They are moving and working. They will definitely accelerate their token. It's hard to say to what values. I used to think up to 20. We will see. In any case, it is possible to see the local picture of overclicking to more than 10. We are already looking for an altcoin season for a small bullish movement on altcoins. I am waiting for it. I am in the CUE asset. By the way, we will see the values have started to enter the asset Aptos, which is also very good. But I'm more interested in CUE now. They are all not investment recommendation, guys. Think with your head, but I myself personally went into the asset with a target of $1.50. Right now the price is 0.58. That's it, guys. Brief news on the crypto market. Nothing terrible happened. Bitcoin just corrected. We expect local information of the structure and further upward movement. In any case, we will update the information. Write in the comments how are you doing in general, what coins you would like to see on the parsing. You can also write your opinion on Bitcoin. I will be interesting. Well, I will see you tomorrow, guys, in the next video. See you soon. Thank you.